Another day, another English lesson. Frequent mistakes. Then versus then. Hi there. Today we are looking at two words that learners often mix up, then and than. They look similar, but they have very different jobs. Use then to talk about time or sequence, what happens next. Example, I finished work, then I went home. Use than to compare two things. Example, she is taller than her brother. Here is a simple test. If you can replace the word with next or after that, use then. If you are comparing two things, use than. One more pair of examples. First we ate dinner, then we watched a movie. This describes an order of events. This movie is better than the last one. This compares two movies. Remember, then for time and sequence, then for comparison. Now you try. Complete the sentences with then or than. One, my coffee is hotter than yours. Two, we packed our bags, then we left for the airport. Three, she runs faster than anyone else on the team. Four, first check your email, then call me back. Five, this restaurant is more expensive than the one downtown. Six, he studied all night, then he passed the exam. Seven, I would rather walk than take the bus. Eight, add the sugar, then mix everything together. Thanks for using this worldwide ELT language video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.